Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're whipping up a high-protein keto cottage cheese flatbread. A quick and easy low-carb recipe loaded with protein and perfect for any meal. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cup cottage cheese, 2 large eggs, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon Italian seasoning. Directions: preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Add cottage cheese, eggs, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning to a blender. Blend until smooth. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and lightly coat it with non-stick spray. Pour the blended mixture onto the sheet and spread it evenly. Bake for 30 minutes or until the edges turn golden brown. Let it cool completely before serving. Slice, roll, or layer with your favorite toppings for a versatile, low-carb flatbread option. Prep time: 5 minutes. Cooking time: 30 minutes. Total time: 35 minutes. Kcal: 120 kilocalories. Servings: 2 servings. Don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.